plastic in here. Dude, fucked. They went all into it. Oh, he likes it that way though. Yep. There's so much more money.
They took it down because it needed to be repainted.
Okay.
I think what I was told was the plan was never to, anytime it needed to be repainted, was just to repaint it up on the pedestal,
Okay.
but laws change and regulations change, so they basically had to take it down to get it painted. The aircraft was up there for about 18 years, so it just took a lot of pounding. We had a lot of teamwork. We had Metals Tech came out, they lent us some bodies and some equipment, some sort of hydraulic jack, and that basically ended up saving the day and letting us get the mount plate out of there.
Right.
Yeah, normally we would just, yearly we'll just take the bags out, air them up, look at them, but this was a great opportunity to actually real world get them out, where to place them, how to place them, measure them out, and then air them up. And yeah, it was just great. It was real world, not just, you know, airing them up, kind of no pressure, just kind of. Usually we got two people from every shop, because we kind of want a little bit of expertise from everybody, electrics, hydraulics, metals tech. It comes in handy, so it's about 2 people from every shop. But yeah, just the more people you can have, the more expertise, the better.
Right.
So, because obviously metals tech came in handy with helping us get that mount out with their jack and stuff, all their tools. So we have a lot of new people, but actually we talked about that. Even with all the new people, everyone worked really well. Everyone had a positive attitude. You didn't hear any complaining. Everyone just wanted to get it done, and it went smooth.